Can anyone of you just tell me the difference between list and tuple? Rakesh? Hello? Hello? Managna?
Sir, hello.
Yeah.
Sir, tuple means sir used to store multiply in a single variable, sir.
Multiply. And get you, Rakesh. Can you repeat it? Managna, can you tell me the difference between list and tuple?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
List is an mutable, tuples is an immutable.
Okay.
It is a collection of Python objects referenced by a comma.
Okay.
List is an ordered sequence of a value.
Yeah. Tuple won't be ordered, or tuple won't be ordered?
It is ordered. It is ordered.
Sir, once
Ordered
created
and
means
collection
they
of
won't change
sequence.
tuples.
What, Rakesh?
Once created means they won't change.
ఒకసారి ట్రిపుల్స్ లో క్రియేట్ చేసిన డేటాని మనము
Yeah.
మార్చలేము సార్.
Yeah. Okay. That is one
లిస్ట్
of.
లో అలా కాదు, లిస్ట్ లో మార్చుకోవచ్చు అంటే
మార్చుకోవచ్చు.
మ్యూటబుల్, అందుకే ఇది ఇమ్యూటబుల్ సార్.
Okay. Is there any differences between tuple and list other than immutable?
ఆల్మోస్ట్ సేమ్ సార్. ఈ ఒక్క
Yeah.
పాయింట్ ఒక్కటే
Yeah.
డిఫరెన్స్.
Except this property, both list and tuple are same. Okay.
సేమ్.
Lists are mutable and tuples are immutable.
ఇమ్యూటబుల్.
Yeah. Okay. Can you tell me how do you create a list? Yeah. Just tell me how to create a list. Yeah, you will be using A is example. You can tell me A is equals to within rectangle.
A equals to square brackets.
Yeah. In the square brackets, you will be writing items, right?
Items. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. How do you declare a tuple, Rakesh?
Sir,
How do you declare a tuple? If you want to
Sir,
use tuple, yeah, tell me.
Huh?
Yeah, tell me. If you want to use tuple in your program, how will you write it? You just tell me an example. How to create a tuple? Okay, Marugna, can you tell me?
ట్యూపుల్స్ లో మనం నార్మల్ బ్రాకెట్స్ యూస్ చేస్తాం సార్, స్క్వేర్ బ్రాకెట్స్ యూస్ చేయము.
Yeah, okay. That is one of the difference between list and tuple also. In list, we will be using
the tuple అయితే enclosing brackets use చేస్తాం సార్.
Okay, parenthesis. Those are called as parenthesis. Okay.
Parenthesis.
Yeah, parenthesis. But in list, we will be using square brackets or rectangular braces. Both are same. Okay. Today we'll be learning sets. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay.
Okay,
How
sir.
do you declare a set means? See, in mathematics, we'll be having sets and relations. One chapter will be there, right? Sets and relations.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is very similar to that. Almost same. Whatever you do in maths, we'll be doing in programming language also. Okay, how do you declare a set in mathematics? Can you tell me?
It's a collection of.
Yeah, collection of objects. You will place them in curly braces, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is also similar here. See, I'll write it as 1, 2. Okay, it is a set. Okay, let me print it. You just tell me the difference. After seeing the output, you just tell me what happened there. Okay? What happened? What happened in this set?
అన్ని ఒక్కొక్క నెంబర్ ని తీసుకుంది సార్, రిపీటెడ్ నెంబర్స్ ని తీసుకోవద్దు.
Yeah. The repeated elements in the sets are just been eliminated. It will take only distinguishable elements.
Singular.
Okay, it won't take iterations. Okay, but in list, what happening? If you give one, how many times it will take, right? Same, similar to tuple, you can write a single element how many times as you want, but in sets you cannot repeat an element. Okay. Is indexing is possible in a, okay, let us check whether the set is ordered or not. A of let us
It
type
is
0.
ordered, sir.
Ordered. Let us see. Okay, the set object is not subscriptable. It is showing like that. So we cannot even index it. I mean, it is not even ordered. Okay. What is mean by order? You can get any element from the index, right? By using index value. It is called as ordered. Okay. See, if I let me print A again. See, what you thought? You thought that initially it is giving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 52, 56 like that. You thought it is in ordered, right? It is a
Yes, sir.
it is being printed in increasing number way.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It is not like that. See, if I changed the number, but see, how should it look like? The 111 should be there at the end of the. It should be the last element, right? But it is not like that. See, so the set is not even ordered. If you print one time, if you again use the same set to be print again, both of the prints may be different. Okay. See here, how many times we are running? We may not get even same also. Once a time, we might not get the same answer also. Are you getting my point? ఇప్పుడు ఒకసారి ప్రింట్ చేస్తాం కదా, మళ్ళీ ప్రింట్ చేసినప్పుడు సేమ్ ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది అని చెప్పలేం. ఇక్కడ ఎందుకో వస్తుంది కానీ ఒక్కోసారి వస్తుందని కూడా చెప్పలేం. ఓకేనా? నువ్వు ఇప్పుడు ప్రింట్ చేసావు, ఒక అవుట్పుట్ వచ్చింది, సిస్టమ్ ఆపేసి మళ్ళీ ఆన్ చేసి మళ్ళీ ప్రింట్ చేసాం అనుకో, వేరే అవుట్పుట్ రావచ్చు.
ఓకే సార్.
కానీ ఇందులో మెయిన్ ఏంటంటే రిపిటేషన్స్ ఉండవు. ఇట్ వోంట్ అలౌ రిపీటెడ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్. ఇట్ వెదర్ ఇఫ్ ఎ నెంబర్ ఇస్ రిపీటెడ్, ఇట్ విల్ print only one time. Okay, not even print, it will take one input only. Okay, I think it is the similar to this. You will be having count also. Sorry, there is no need of counting sets, right? Every element is repeated only once. And what is the need of using count? Okay, let us see. There is no count function also. Okay, Monica. Okay, Manogna. Manogna, is it okay? Yeah. For sets, we won't be having count function. We cannot. Okay. Can we have slicing in sets? Rakesh, can you tell me? Can we have?
Sir?
Can we have slicing from first element from second element? I should print rest of the. Can I do in sets?
Don't know, sir.
Okay. I told you that there is no index for elements, right? Then how can you say that it is the last element, it is first element? It is not like that. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
That property is only that property also not there. How can you? I mean, it shouldn't be there, right? This indexing and slicing shouldn't be there. When it will come means if there is a proper index for every element, then you can get that element. You can use slice. You can use indexing. Yes, the elements are not having the index, it is also not possible. Okay. In list.
Can you repeat just the point?
Okay. In a sets, we are not having indexes for every element. In list, we have first element, the index is 0. For second element, the index is 1.
1.
Yeah, in list and tuples. But in sets, we are not having that index property.
Index property.
Yeah. As we are not having this index property, we cannot get a particular element from the set. That is the first reason. We are not having slicing because we cannot get a particular element from the set. అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
ఇప్పుడు ఇండెక్సింగ్
Sir,
అంటే
sets లో
ఒక పర్టికులర్
sets లో couples లో ఇండెక్స్ ప్రాపర్టీ ఉంది సార్, వీటిలో ఇండెక్స్ ప్రాపర్టీ లేదు సార్.
అందుకని నువ్వు ఏదైనా ఒక ఎలిమెంట్ కావాలి. ఇప్పుడు స్లైసింగ్ అంటే ఏంది? ఒక పర్టికులర్ ఎలిమెంట్ అంటే ఒక పర్టికులర్ ఇండెక్స్ నుంచి ఇంకో పర్టికులర్ ఇండెక్స్ దాకా ఎలిమెంట్స్ అన్నింటినీ ప్రింట్ చేస్తావు. స్లైసింగ్ అంటే అదే కదా. ఇప్పుడు నీకు అసలు ఇండెక్స్ అనే ప్రాపర్టీయే లేదు సెట్స్ కి, ఇంకా నువ్వు స్లైసింగ్ చేయలేవు కదా. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ హ్యావింగ్ index property, so we cannot even do slice also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there any benefit by using sets? Can you think of by using sets? Is there any?
Sir, and repetition elements are sir.
Yeah. Okay.
These are one of use.
Okay. If I wanted to print every element in a set in new line, can you tell me the code for it? Okay, it is having length property. I think so. Let us see. It will have a dot. Okay. Sorry, length of a. Let me print it. See, it is having length 7. Okay, okay. There is okay here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. We are having length property. Then after for I in A, will it work or not? Can you tell me, Rakesh?
Sir, it's working only, sir.
Okay, for I in A, I am writing like this. For I in A, I will write print I. Will it work or not? As of your, okay, let us run it. See, it is working. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, to print every element, there is another format also in list. Can you tell me? Let us check whether it is working or not. Manogna, can you tell me? There is another way to
Sir.
print every element in the list. In list concept, we learned it to print every element. To print every element of a list, we learned another method by using for loop only, by using range function. Rakesh, will it work or not?
No, sir.
The set object is not substitutable. We got the same error. Okay, we cannot print every element of the set by using this algorithm. Okay, but for list it will work, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is not working for sets. Okay. I'm having another set like this. Is equals to 3, 4. Okay, can you read the code, Rakesh? What I have written?
Sir, in a range length, sir.
Yeah. You just from 10 line onwards.
B is equal to 3, 4, sir.
What I done there? I declared another set.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Then after
Print B is subset, sir.
print B dot is a subset of
Subset
A.
of A.
Yeah. See, I think it is plain English only. You can just get it. What I'm checking there. See, we got it true. That means B is a subset of A. See here, what is subset means? Every element of B should be there in A, right? Manogna?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is a subset definition?
Yeah, B లో ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్స్ అన్ని A లో ఉన్నాయి సార్.
Yeah, okay. Similarly, okay, what it will return? It will return whether it is true or false. Okay.
Yes, sir.
B dot is subset
Boolean
of,
statement, sir.
yeah, Boolean. It will check whether, yeah. If you use that in if statement, we can do some operations, right? If you use that by using if statement, and there will be condition, right? In that condition, if you place this, it will check whether true or false. Then if it is true, the if statement will work, and if it is false, the else part will be working. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Then after, there is function called as superset also. A dot is a superset. Then A is a superset of B. And we'll check. Okay, it is printing true. A is superset. Let us think if B is superset or not. Let us see. We'll be getting false. say will be false. Okay. Okay, I'll tell you another thing here. Let me declare a list here. Let me comment this. Let me declare a list. A is equals to rectangle plus 1. Okay, Rakesh, can you tell me what will be the output of this? Rakesh, can you tell me what is the output of 20th line? 21. Okay.
21, sir.
Yeah, what will be the output?
Sir, repeat elements are raw, sir.
Repeat elements in a row. What I wrote in 29, can you read it?
Printed type.
Yes,
sir.
Yeah. What is type of A?
1, 2, that one, sir.
What is type of A?
Integer, sir.
Integer. Is it what is A? If A is equals to 1, then tell me what is
Integer.
type of A?
Integer, sir. A is an integer, sir.
Integer.
Integer. Okay. It is false. Yes. No, it's not. It is not an integer. It is a list. See here, we got list. It is not an integer, guys. If I write A of 0, then see here.